Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to keep screen on Infinix Smart 8. Okay guys, if you often use cell phone and want the cell phone to stay on and not turn off, then you can turn on this feature guys. But keep in mind that this feature consumes or reduces more battery than usual guys. So now go to settings menu and then here you can scroll down and go to display and brightness over here. So yeah, now you can scroll down again and go to keep screen on, and now you can turn it on. But you have to keep in mind guys that this feature is reduce more battery than usual. Alright, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to keep screen on Infinix Smart 8. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified from it so you don't miss another interesting video from this channel. Thank you.